So you've heard that you probably should be eating more of a plant-based diet. However, what even is a plant-based diet and why should you be doing it? Okay, I'm Dr. Angie from Open Space Healing, Fremantle's hub for all things chiropractic holistic wellness. And today we're going to be talking about what a plant-based diet is and our top tips, our top 5 tips to be exact, on how to implement a plant-based diet into your daily life. Firstly, why plant-based? Look, I could talk about this for days, however, we don't have days. So I'm gonna sum it up in a nutshell. Yes, pun intended, nuts are plants. Firstly, we actually, as humans, are designed to thrive on plants. Yes, we can eat meat, and we are omnivores. However, eating too much meat is really taxing on our body. If you look at the difference between the insides of us and carnivores, our insides are much, much longer. It takes a lot more time for the food to go through us, and our stomach acid isn't as acidic. So therefore, it's harder for us to break down those animal proteins. There is excellent scientific research to show that going more plant-based and whole foods actually helps to control and even reverse many different diseases. Plus, most people enjoy more energy and just naturally lose weight. Then there is the devastating effect that industrial farming is having on our planet. So pollution, methane production, deforestation, water usage, the list just goes on and on. So what is plant-based? Plant-based is basically just eating foods that are plants, that come from the earth, such as fruits and vegetables and whole grains. So avoiding animal products such as meat, dairy, and eggs. Here are our top 5 tips. Number 1, get clear on your reasons why you are wanting to make this change to plant-based. There must have been a reason why you came onto this vlog or you started researching it. So ask yourself the main question, why? 7 times. Get 7 layers deep. Keep on asking yourself why. And when you get to the 7th why, you're going to get to the truth of the reason. Then write that down on a post-it note and stick it on your fridge, on your bathroom mirror, anywhere around the house, so that you can be reminded of that real reason why. 2, get the best produce possible. So head down to your local farmers market with the family and the kids, support your local farmers and buy the produce that is fresh and is going to be so much more nutrient dense than its counterparts in the big supermarkets. Try new fruits and vegetables that you haven't tried before and get creative with ideas, doing new recipes. Our 3rd tip is to eat the rainbow. Yes, you have probably heard of this and you probably tell it to your children, yet it is so important. Each fruit and vegetable that has different colors, has different antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, and you want all of them. So eat all of them. If your plate isn't inspiring you to devour it, then just add more color. Our 4th tip is to eat until you are full. Again, this sounds like such common sense. However, when you go more plant-based, you may need to eat more food to satisfy your hunger. Don't worry, if you are eating real whole fruits and vegetables, this is only going to benefit your metabolism. So get a big bowl and keep on eating until your stomach is full. Tip number 5, our final tip. Plant-based does not mean processed. So we see a lot of our clients making the mistake of taking out meat and then adding in disgusting processed food that will make you sick, such as breads and pastas, refined carbohydrates, tofu, and even fake meats. Yuck. So don't eat those foods, just eat more plants. This is my special Dr. Andy mental hack. When you're going plant-based, don't think of it as you're taking out meat and you're restricting yourself. Think of it as you're making a conscious life-giving decision and you're adding all the life-giving things in. So I like to jazz my food up with extra homemade dressings and seeds and nuts and berries and like all the things. So I feel abundant and I don't feel like I'm going without. A special note, this is general advice. So if you have a health challenge, then please speak with your primary healthcare provider who is specialized in nutrition. Also, as with anything in life, check in with your body. If you are going plant-based and you're not feeling good and it doesn't work for you, then stop. Check in with your intuition and your gut, pardon the pun, and do what feels good for you and your body. There you have it, our top 5 tips to starting a plant-based diet. So if you love this info, then please share it with a friend who needs to hear it. And also before you go, we have a brand new offering for you guys. It's our wellness bucket list to make 2021 your best year yet. These are our favorite wellness experiences for you to tick off for abundant health and great personal development. So with that being said, remember, by healing yourself, you inspire your tribe and transform the world. Bye for now.